Student, I am Veena Dixit. Please subscribe my channel. Share with your friends. Best wishes. Oxidation of acyclic and cyclic alkene. See, draw this structure first. Here is double bond. Here is double bond. And now we will see that this carbon is not having any hydrogen. This carbon is having hydrogen. This carbon also does not having any hydrogen. So what will happen? The carbon which is having hydrogen will be cleaved and it will be converted into COH. And so when cleavage occur here, so this carbon is having carboxyl group and this carbon is having keto group. Like this, see here, this carbon will have keto group and this carbon will have COH group. So see this structure. Clear? So again I will repeat. Draw this structure first and see which carbon is having hydrogen and which is not having hydrogen. So here C double bond. So here CH will be there and CH2, CH2, CH2. Here C and this is double bond carbon, carbon, carbon. So there is no hydrogen. And this carbon bond is having hydrogen. The CH, CH2, CH2 like this. So when cleavage occur with the help of acidified KMnO4, what will happen? This carbon here at the bottom, it is converted into olefinic carbon. CH is having COOH group over here. Okay, and this carbon which is not having any hydrogen is converted into keto group. So cleavage occur, breaking will happen, will be brought bring over keto group here. Now this carbon is having keto group and this carbon cleaved, means breaking is there, and keto group will be there in this carbon and this carbon is having COH group. Okay, so in this way we will get the compound. Identify alkene, acidified KMnO4, MeCOOH, means ethanoic acid will be there. So when there will be double bond, then only we will get this. So what we will do, I told you, when the carbon which is having CH bearing hydrogen, olefinic carbon having hydrogen, when cleavage occurs, then it is converted into COH. So 2 OR coming over here, so we will get MeCOH. 2 moles of MeCOH we will get. 2 mole I will write down here. Okay. Now see this compound they have given and they are asking what is here X, what is X. So the same way what you have to do, draw pentagon over here. This is pentanone, cyclopentanone. So you make 2 cyclopentene. This is this is double bond in between 2 cyclopentane. Cleavage occurs, so it will get converted into keto group. Okay, why? Because this carbon and this carbon both are not having any hydrogen, so 2 moles of ketone will get. And the same way we will get this. So here exocycle, double bond CH2, double bond CH2 will be there as simple as it is, and CO2 will be clean.